Hi friends, today let us talk about yet another iPhone in the market, that is iPhone 5 was formally unveiled as part of a press event on September 12, 2012, and subsequently released on September 21, 2012. The iPhone 5 featured major design changes in comparison to its predecessor. These included an aluminum-based body which was thinner and lighter than previous models, a taller 4-inch screen with a nearly 16:9 aspect ratio, the Apple A6 system on chip. Likewise LTE support, and Lightning, a new compact dock connector which replaced the 30-pin design used by previous iPhone models. This was the second Apple phone to include its new Sony-made 8MP camera, which was first introduced on the iPhone 4S. Now let us talk about the battery size, which is 3.8V, 5.45 Wh, 1440 mAh, lithium-ion battery and CPU, 1.3 GHz dual-core 32-bit ARMv7, Swift, GPU, PowerVR SGX 543 MP3. Talk time, up to 8 hours. Standby time, up to 225 hours, 9 days, 9 hours. Internet use, up to 8 hours, 3G, up to 8 hours, LTE, up to 10 hours, Wi-Fi. Video playback, up to 10 hours. Audio playback, up to 40 hours, 1 day, 16 hours. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.